Jump Cloud Security Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cybersecurity is only for IT departments, but you won't believe what happens next when identity management becomes your company's first line of defense. Jump Cloud is a cloud-based directory platform that manages user access, authentication, and device security across networks. It provides single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and device management for organizations of all sizes. The surprising truth about Jump Cloud is that it centralizes user and device management, reducing the risk of breaches and improving compliance with security regulations. Companies can control who accesses applications and devices from one dashboard, even for remote employees. Most people get this wrong. They assume traditional Active Directory setups are enough. In reality, cloud-first organizations benefit from flexible identity management that scales with remote work and SaaS adoption. Jump Cloud is best for IT teams, SMB, and enterprises looking for comprehensive cloud-based security and identity management. The surprising truth is that strong identity controls prevent breaches before they happen. Subscribe for more honest security platform reviews that help you protect your business.